In this video, we are going to learn about how to download or install Cloud AI in Windows. First of all, open a browser and then sign in into Cloud AI. From here, you can see your profile icon or profile name. Beside this, you can see a download option. Click on this download option. Now you can see desktop and another is mobile. You can download for your Windows and also you can download for your iOS and Android. So you can download for Windows. To download, click to this icon and then you can see Cloud AI installer. Just click on this. Downloading done. Now it's time to install. Now it is installing. So it's done. Now you can use Cloud AI from your Windows without any browser like Harris or Cloud AI. That's it. You can use Cloud AI in your Windows PC using this method. I think this video is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to share, subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye.